Hey, so today I am editing all the footage of all the rooms that I saw while I was on the ship tour of the Utopia of the Seas. So that's what this whole reel is going to be, is all of the staterooms that we saw. If you have questions, leave me a comment below and I'll do my best to answer those questions. All right, so diving right in, this was the first room we had an opportunity to tour. Beautiful room, lots of space, all of the upgraded amenities, upgraded bathroom with the 2 sinks, like lots of floor space, very, very spacious, very, very nice room. There was plenty of outlets in this room and the coffee maker, which was super cool. Really nice outdoor area as well. Look at all that seating out there. They were out there cleaning, so I didn't go out. And then like some extra outlets there at the desk. All right, so this was an accessible room as an interior. Keep in mind, so like things like the mirror, they were in the process of cleaning and turning over some of the rooms while we were there. So I didn't get to take photos of all of the rooms that we saw because they weren't all made up. So we were asked not to show pictures if they were not clean and ready. So, but this is an accessible junior suite. Really nice. Loved how much space there was. And look at this closet. The closets in some of these suites were insane. This is another interior room. I was really impressed with how well appointed all the rooms were, even from the smallest room to the largest room. Plenty of outlets in all of these rooms, so don't worry too much about that. All of the bathrooms were well appointed, and it seemed like there was plenty of storage throughout. This is one of the solarium suites that we got to see. Also really nice. Was really impressed with it as well. And then with the solarium suites, you know, you're right next to the solarium. This one had the Central Park view off of the balcony. Those are kind of neat. I do like how with this class of ship, you get some extra balcony options, so you can look out over Central Park, or you can look out over the boardwalk. Or you can have the standard ocean view as well. So this was a connecting interior. This one had the fake screen there, so it looked like you had something to look out of, but you really didn't. It was just a screen, so that was kind of cool. It allows some extra light and kind of fun into the room. And then the connecting door was right towards the front, and you were able to go right into the next room. So that was kind of neat. And this is just a basic interior again. This one obviously set up as the king versus the twins that we had seen a moment ago. Again, lots and lots of storage, lots of outlets. Really nice, well-appointed rooms. This room, though, this room blew my little brain open. So these guys were in there waiting for the guests to arrive to greet them. Look at all of this space. There's an actual bedroom separated from the main living area. So the bathroom is in here, and then there's access directly out to the balcony. Wait till you see this balcony. This balcony might be worth the room price by itself. This room really did just blow my mind. Like, I knew there were rooms like this on the ship, but I had not personally walked into one. But check this out. So we're going to go out and look at all of this real estate that you are getting for your own private balcony. Like, this balcony just keeps going. Oh no, yeah, you see people, it keeps going. Oh, yeah, there's the door, but guess what? It keeps going. So there's the second door into the main area. And then look, it goes around the corner even. You get your own private seating with bar to watch the Aqua Theater shows. Like, mind blown, right? It's amazing. So all of this great view from this suite. Like, I just couldn't get over this view alone. And then, okay, back into the suite, and this is the main seating area. So you get a full dining table, a full vanity, coffee, and a full couch. Guys, if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. I'll do my best to answer them. If you need a travel agent, reach out to me at Mindy at where'swalterstravel.com. And until the next time, shake a tail feather.